This is our CBR machine. This lamp will indicate mains supply. This is a rotary switch for loading and unloading machine. On position 1, machine will be in loading condition. On position 2, it will be in unloading condition. This is our dial gauge stand. With the help of these nuts, you can set height of throwing ring and plunger. This nipple is provided for throwing ring. Now this is our throwing ring. This is plunger, loading plunger, and this is dial gauge. Fix the plunger in throwing ring. Then fix it in this nipple. फिट कर कंप्लीट फिट कर दो राइट कर दो फिट you can fix dial gauge here. Place the mold in a plate. Place the mold on plate. Fix the throwing ring in upper nipple and fix the dial gauge in dial gauge stand. Now adjust the height with help of these nuts. Adjust the height with help of nut. Set the throwing ring 0. Also set dial gauge as 0. And start in loading condition. Start in loading condition. You can see variation of dial gauge here. And this is throwing ring load. set the position at 2 for unloading condition.